Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Second quarter. Third quarter. Number 25. Foul committed number 29. Hacking foul. Tatlo ka na, number 29. Two free throws on number 04. First basket on number 04. It's good. First throw on number 4. Split throw only. Seconds visit. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 11. Hacking foul. Number 45 for the St. Nicholas College out. Two free throws on number 8. First basket on number 8. It's good. Second shot on number 8. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 04. First team foul for the Jocson College. Good for two on number 16. Last time on Jocson, simple. Shot clock remaining at 17 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for two on number 11. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for two on number 01. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 16. Number 39 for the St. Nicholas College. Two free throws on number 01. Split. Oh, let's move the ball number. No. Two free throws on number 2. First basket on number 2. It's good. Second shot on number 2. 2 out of 2. Stop it. Number 04 out, replacing number 9. Look 2 in. Good. Good for 2. On number 16. Lost that zone, St. Nicholas Jocson basketball. Good for 2 on number 30. Rolling. Turnover. St. Nicholas basketball. It's a backcourt violation. Return to backcourt. Backcourt violation. Number 9 of the Jocson College. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 9. Hacking foul. That's his second on you. Warning for penalty, St. Nicholas College. 2 free throws on number 16. Second throw on number 16. Split throw on number 16. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 11. Tatlo ka na, Angeles, number 11. Number 18. First throw, it's good. Second shot on number 18. 2.82. Timeout, St. Nicholas College. Block. Basket on number 29. Nine seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Same ball both ends. Shot clock remaining at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Foul has been whistled. Ball number 18. Penalty. That's his third on you. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty for the St. Nicholas College. 2 free throws on number 16. This basket is number 16. It's good. Second shot on number 16. 2 for 2 on number 16. Number 16. Good work, you. Last touch on Jocson. Same ball. Shot clock remaining at 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Oh, yang kabalo lu.
Foul has been whistled. Foul number 18. Apat ka na, number 18. Warning on you. Penalty. Apat na yan, coach, for your reminders. 2 shots on number 01. First basket on number 01. It's good. Second shot on number 101. 2 out of 2 on number 01. And one on number 16. Flash about commit number 11. Warning ka na, number 11. Penalty. Number 11 out for the St. Nicholas College. Bonus free throw on number 16. Split. Fires for three, number 14. Blocking foul committed number 29. Blocking foul. Penalty. Warning on you, number 29. Morgado out for the St. Nicholas College. Two free throws on number 23. First basket on number 23. It's good. Second shot on number 23. Free throw. Foul has been whistled. Last night or not. De La Cruz out for the St. Nicholas College. Out. De La Cruz. De La Cruz out, number 29. For the St. Nicholas College. Good for two on number 17. 2 minutes. Good for two on number 2. And seconds on the shot clock. It's a double dribble. Dilbert Mulligan. Timeout. Oxen Gully. Number 2, good for 2. Last touch, same ball. Shot clock running at 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Foul has been whistled. Number 30 for the St. Nicholas College. Penalty. Second shot on number 18 rather. Second shot on number 18. Splitter only. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 13. Visible foul. Tatlo ka na, number 13 for the Oxen College. Warning for penalty. Oxen College. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 18, holding foul. 2 free throws on number 30. First basket on number 30, it's good. Second shot on number 30. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for two on number 17. Good by two on number 17. Foul has been whistled. Foul coming to number 14. Penalty. Two free throws on number 16. That's basket on number 16. It's good. Second throw on number 16. 2 out of 2. For three, number 30. That's the end of our third quarter.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.